Now, a lot of people would ask, why Alumo? Now, if I can show you why Alumo, that's why. Hi, my name is Mark Thornhill, also known as Tabo Mofokeng to all the kids that come here. I operate and own a campsite in Lindiki's Drift in between the Northwest and Gauteng, and I'm here to speak about Alumo. Well, let me start with the challenges that we had. Is the normal challenges that you had with the energy supplier, and we were sitting on our busiest time with 21 days without electricity, and we really thought about going to solar, but we were scared. We were scared about the challenges that people speak about with solar, and we thought that it will be such a big change going from electricity to solar. And the reason why we chose Alumo is because of the advertisement and of the good reviews that we got from the internet and from the phones, and we decided that we're going to go with Alumo. Once Alumo was here, the service that we got is what changed our minds. We didn't even look at any other installer, because the service, the way they treated us, and the follow-ups was just one after the other. There we knew, working in the kids industry, we knew that if somebody is that efficient, that they're going to be a great supplier of the equipment and of services. And then also they're going to give us after sales service, which we're going to need and which we have to learn about solar. Well, absolutely. If you go and look at what we paid beforehand, and then also what we had to pay in diesel to run the generator, you talk about almost a half savings that we did from electricity to solar. And I've got now more power than what I had before, which helps the business. And I can switch on geysers whenever I want to. I can switch on in winter time. You won't believe it, but heaters, which everybody thinks, no, you have to change your geysers, you have to change this, you have to change that. You actually got more freedom with Alumo's install and the power that they gave us. We've got more power actually to run the business better. The installation process ran as smooth as honey. These panels over here was installed in record time. It was done so professionally, I didn't actually have to be here to supervise or to make sure things are done. We could actually go on holiday, give them the key. That's how professional the installers were. We could give them the keys and they can do the installation by themselves. I would recommend Alumo to basically everybody I see. When you start with solar, it's such an interesting thing, because you have to learn your system. And then I find myself talking to each and every single person. Even at my kids' rugby match is in grade 7. The parents standing with me, I start talking about Alumo. That's how great it was. The big important thing is to have hot water, of course, and then also the cooking of the food over here. And Alumo has covered that 10 times fold, where it used to be a huge problem if the electricity goes off. And then we have to make alternative plans to be able to do the daily operations. And of course, we've got pumps and we've got water systems and everything over here, because we've got a borehole. So that affects our daily run if we do not have electricity. Alumo has covered each and every detail of our daily lives and operation. Bana yaga, waitseba kambu, hamunate ahula hulu, waitseba ubaning. Uja hulu, hai klatswa skotolo, uja munate, and uja knife foroko, kialabua. Alright, many kids, thousands of kids have asked, and when they arrive, they would ask about the statue Lady Constantia, because the place is called Constantia Res. I don't want any of the kids that has ever been here, I don't want them to tell the story of Lady Constantia, what happened, what happens, and I want to make sure that For the generations that come after that, they'll speak nothing about what happened, the history of Lady Constantia. The ones that has been here will know very well. Thank you, sir.